Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Rewards, and this is episode 159 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posted on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He and Jacinta both answer the questions. We read all the questions. We take the cool, the funny, the weird, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about Platinum and Diamond, the Masala Tiger, will it expand? Can I use the Hub app on Princess Key? The co-branded Rewards MasterCard? And will I get in trouble for wearing this?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser asked, will the benefits we get now for Platinum Diamond stay in effect until June 2026 when the new rewards program kicks in? The gift, the party, the diamond lunch, etc. John said yes, absolutely. And he went on to say, let's see what the future holds. We'll see. I think it's going to be a lot less people on the cruises, personally, looking at all the feedback. But hey, that remains to be seen. Like they said, they rolled it out a year in advance so they can get the feedback and maybe tweak it by the time it comes. I don't know. I hope they do, because it's aptly named the rewards program. It has nothing to do with loyalty. That's my personal opinion after 60-something Carnival cruises. Anyway, question two. This cruiser asked, the Masala Tiger, which is the Indian restaurant that is only on the Splendor, they wanted to know, will they be expanding this to other ships at any point? John said, actually, they have. It is now on all the Excel class ships in the back area of the ladle deck. They're going to see how popular the food is and how fabulous it goes. And who knows, they may have it on other ships in the future, like the new ones coming out. We'll see. You never know. So if you like the Indian food, it is on the Excel and the Splendor. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. Question three. This cruiser is going to Princess Key and wanted to know if they will be able to use the Hub app chat they paid $5 for on the islands. John said, no, it won't work. You'll be too far from the ship for the messenger to work. So you'll notice sometimes when you're coming back to the ship and you start getting close and it connects back to the ship's Wi-Fi, then it works. So you can use it outside of the ship, just not too far away. You have to be on the ship's Wi-Fi. Question four. This cruiser wanted to know what it means for the new co-branded Carnival Rewards MasterCard. Does that mean the existing one is going to be replaced? John said no, it is not being replaced. It's the same exact company, Barclay, that they have a current partnership with. I think they just renamed that because of the new reward system. You'll be able to use your credit card for everyday land-based purchases to earn points and status on the cruise, which actually I think is pretty cool. On to the last question. Question five. This cruiser wanted to know, would they get in trouble for wearing this? John said, he'll leave that up to them to decide. But we just want you to have fun, and it will be waiting for you whether you wear this t-shirt or not. So, who knows? Do you like it? I don't know. Anyway, that's been episode 159 of Yakety-Yak straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.